GoCharting versus Sierra Chart. Which trading platform wins? Choosing the right trading platform can transform how you analyze markets without getting overwhelmed by complex tools. GoCharting offers simplicity and cloud access, while Sierra Chart focuses on advanced customization and performance. GoCharting and Sierra Chart are both powerful trading platforms designed for chart analysis and market data. The core difference lies in GoCharting's user-friendly web-based interface versus Sierra Chart's desktop-based, highly customizable and performance-driven environment. GoCharting is a cloud-based trading platform that provides real-time charts, technical indicators, and drawing tools accessible via any web browser. Its intuitive design makes it easy for traders to set up and start analyzing markets quickly without software installation. GoCharting supports multiple asset classes including stocks, futures, and cryptocurrencies, with features like multi-time frame analysis and custom alerts. Strengths include seamless accessibility from any device, collaborative features, and a clean interface that reduces clutter for faster decision-making. However, as a web platform, it may have limitations in processing speed and deep customization compared to desktop solutions. Ideal users are traders who prioritize ease of use, quick setup, and cloud-based flexibility without sacrificing essential charting tools. Sierra Chart is a professional-grade desktop trading platform known for its extensive customization options and high-performance data handling. It offers advanced charting capabilities including custom studies, automated trading support, and direct connections to numerous data feeds and brokers. Sierra Chart excels in speed and reliability, making it a favorite among experienced traders who require precise control over technical indicators and trading strategies. The platform supports deep backtesting and complex order types, but its interface can be overwhelming for beginners and requires installation and setup. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and less portability since it runs on Windows desktops. Sierra Chart is ideal for advanced traders and professionals who need powerful tools and are comfortable with technical configuration. When comparing GoCharting and Sierra Chart, the choice depends on your trading style and technical needs. GoCharting's cloud-based platform offers quick access and simplicity, perfect for traders who want to analyze charts on the go with minimal setup. Its user-friendly interface supports collaboration and multi-asset charting, but may lack the depth and speed of desktop platforms. Sierra Chart, on the other hand, provides unmatched customization, speed, and integration with multiple data providers, ideal for traders who demand precision and advanced strategy testing. The trade-off is complexity and less mobility. For those focused on professional-grade features and are comfortable with desktop software, Sierra Chart stands out. For ease of use and accessibility, GoCharting delivers a streamlined experience. Choose GoCharting if you want a straightforward cloud-based platform with quick setup and easy access across devices, ideal for casual and intermediate traders. Sierra Chart is the best choice for advanced traders seeking powerful customization, speed, and professional-grade tools. If you need deep technical control and reliable desktop performance, Sierra Chart delivers unmatched capabilities to elevate your trading analysis and execution.